Even All Remarks here, back again with another video, back again with another Quest 3 video. And this video we're going to be playing First Encounters. It's a free app you get with your Oculus Quest, sorry, your Meta Quest. It's not Oculus anymore, is it? And you're basically going to defend yourself and collect kind of the same colour little poofy puffians or something, I think they're called. So you better see the pass-through. It's one of those kind of mixed reality games, so it'll kind of set up walls and all that sort of stuff. I've already set up the wall, so it already knows where to make the holes. So you can sort of see here, look, it's making the little spaceship over here. That looks like it's on the floor. It's nice and stable. Oh, that just crashed through. Made a right mess. So, making burning holes in my carpet. You see that? Now you can't see it. Well, you can see it on the screen because I'll have the screen for this somewhere. But oh, we get a gun. Grab. Oh, it's not a gun. It's like a torch. We have to shine it on the wall and see into the mixed reality world beyond the walls. Look, there's one of these little things trying to get through. Oh, I can hear another one somewhere else. Where is it? Oh, it's over here. It's trying to smack through the wall into my world. Oh, it's over there now as well. Fair enough, you can see the camera on pass-through. VR 180 calf camera. If you want to get one, use my code, get $100 off. Oh, got two guns now. Boom! And it goes into the machine. That's a fun little game. We're the half was playing this last night. She really enjoyed it as well. Oh look, it's broken the camera. Oh, where's the other one gone? Blue. Another one? It's hiding around there. Red, red, red. See, look, you link up all the reds, then it does like a combo. But you see they're breaking holes in my wall. Get another red one, and then we'll do blue. Oh, that's another red one. Oh, red, red, blue, blue, red, red. Oh, they're making right messes. Ah, blue, red. Oh, that was just the wrong order, wasn't it? So I think you get like a score at the end, and kind of, if you can kind of tally up the colours a bit better, you get better points. Oh, blue. Oh, he's over there. I managed to get him. Oh, there's a red one. Oh, he's over there. There's me thinking it was like some sort of reflection, and I went to look behind me. Oh, yellow, yellow. Oh, where did he go? Oh. It's even like they bounce off things. Like, look, it's running down the sofa. Blue. You can also kind of shoot them outside of the level as well, through the wall. Like that. And you can actually shoot holes in the wall yourself. Oh, red ones. Let's try to get some red ones, shall we? Red, red, red. Yellow. My arcade is open at the moment, so anybody at any moment could walk through that door. So we've got to keep playing while we can. If you leave them too long, they explode. Oh. Those ones went behind the sofa. Had to go get them. Oh, it's getting a bit crazy now. Get a few more. Oh, looks like we've only got a minute left. Try and get the same colours. That's what you ideally want to do. So at least get two in a row, so you get a little bit of a combo. You're just sitting there, looking at me. Oh, my neck. I'm just going to blast them all. Stop the order. Oh. Yeah. Oh, hello. Ping, ping. Any more reds? Oh, are you scared? They like explode if you leave them too long. Oh, we've already got a minute left. blasting them in every direction. It's quite fun if you get too close. You see the real world. So you can kind of out and around into your walls. It should be an interesting kind of see how this looks in the video. Oh, too close, I couldn't see. See whether you can really get a good appreciation for how it is, but the mixed reality stuff is pretty solid. Like, it is stable on the walls and on the ceilings and stuff. It's not moving. Like, my biggest concern with this sort of thing is when it kind of like glitches and, you know, you sometimes put things down and you kind of move in space. This wall stuff is all rock solid. Oh, they're all blowing up. Oh, it's just going crazy here. Just get as many as we can. Any more? Blow some more holes in the ceiling. Oh, guns are broken. Oh, guns are gone. Oh, hot by spaceship. And it's gone. Oh, score. Ooh, 197 out of 246. So I guess like over 50 of them blew up. Oh, a little bit of the spaceship landed. You beat my score? I think I've set a higher score last time I played this. I've played it a couple of times already just to kind of see what it's like. But there you go. Let me know what you think about mixed reality and this sort of thing. And this sort of format video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. That's fine. I'm big enough and ugly enough to take it. But do let me know what you thought about it in the comments down below. And that's it for me. I'll see you guys next time. Have a virtual high five.